Good morning, students. So our today's session is based on chapter number 6, linear inequality. In this chapter, we are going to see that the two real numbers of algebraic expression when it is related with the symbol greater or less than equal to sign, it forms an inequality, right? So two real number, or we can take two algebraic expression related with the symbol less than, greater, less than equal to, or greater equal to, it forms an inequality, right? In this we are going to see four different types of inequality. First is numerical, then it is literal, slack and strict. In that first is numerical inequality. Right? So numerical inequality is an equality which does not involve any variable, and inequality which does not involve any variable. For example, if I write 8 less than 21, so this is called numerical inequality. Second is literal inequality. So an inequality in which have variables, and inequalities which have variable, right? For example, if I write x minus y less than equal to 4, so this is example of literal inequality. Strict inequality. Strict inequality, we can say an inequality which have only less than or greater sign. For example, if I write x greater than 8, so it is called a strict inequality. Then it is slack. Slack inequality is an equality which have only greater equal to or less than equal to sign. For example, y less than equal to 0, it is called a slack inequality. Next topic is linear inequality in one variable. In one variable. Linear inequality in one variable is an linear inequality which has only one variable, and it is of the form ax plus b less than 0, where a is not equal to 0. Second is linear inequality in two variable. So linear inequality in two variable is which includes two variable, and it is of the form 3x plus 11y less than equal to 0. Right? You can see two variable x and y. Now we'll understand the terms interval. This we already know, we have seen in the chapter number 2, but again we'll go through it. Closed interval. Closed interval is of this form, right? Means here x is going to take the value between a and b, including a and b, where x is belonging to R. Next is open interval. For open interval, we take the notation open bracket a comma b where x such that a less than x less than b, where x belongs to R. Closed open interval. Closed open interval is of this form a comma open b, means x such that a less than equal to x less than b and x belongs to R. Open closed interval is open closed b of the form a less than x less than equal to b, x belongs to R. Right? So this we are going to use when we'll start the exercise. So the next topic is that we are going to start the exercise 6.1. In that first question is exercise 6.1 question. In that solve 24x less than 100 where x is a natural number and x is an integer. So first step is to divide both the side by 24. So x is less than 25 by 6, which implies we'll take the value of x as 1, 2, 3, 4 and the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4. But if it is x is integer, then x is less than 25 by 6 implies minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the solution set. Next question is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 where x is an integer and x is a real number. So 3x greater than minus 6, because we are shifting this 8 on the other side, so x greater than minus 2, right? So if it is an integer, we have a solution minus 1, 0, 1, 2 dot dot dot, right? And if it is real number, then we can write the solution as open interval minus 2 to infinity. Solve the inequality for real x. Question is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So we'll bring the variable term on the other side and the constant term on the other side. So we get 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3, that is equal to minus x less than 4. Multiplying throughout by minus sign, we get x greater than minus 4. So the solution set will be minus 4 to infinity. Next question is 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. So 3x minus 5x is greater than minus 1 plus 7. Minus 2x is greater than 6. X is greater than minus 3. So the x is less than minus 3, right? So the solution set is minus infinity to open minus 3. Next question is 3 into 2 minus x is greater equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Multiply the first bracket with 3, we get 6 minus 2x greater equal to 2 minus 2x, right? So 6 greater equal to 2 plus x. 6 minus 2 greater equal to minus 4x. So 4 greater equal to minus 4x. So we get, multiplying with minus sign, we get x is less than equal to minus 1, right? So the solution set will be minus infinity to close 1. Next question is x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Multiplying throughout with 6, we get 2x greater than 3x plus 6. 2x minus 3x greater than 6 minus x greater than 6. X is less than minus 6. So the solution set will be minus infinity to minus 6. Next question is 3 into x minus 2 upon 5 less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3, right? So we'll multiply with 3 3 is 9, x minus 2 less than equal to 25 into 2 minus x 9x minus 18 less than equal to 50 minus 25x. 9x plus 25x less than equal to 50 plus 18. 34x less than equal to 68. X is less than equal to 2. So the solution set will be minus infinity to 2. Right? Next question is, solve the inequality and show the graph of the solution. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. So 3x minus 2 minus 2x minus 1 less than 0. 3x minus 2x will give you x minus 2 minus 3 less than 1. So x is less than 3. Right? So if I want to represent this on the number line, we'll draw the number line 0. Here it is 3. It is less than 3. So the solution set is from 3 less than 3 to minus infinity. So here we'll show with a hollow circle, including this means that the 3 is not included in the solution. Right? This way you have to represent. The next question is 5x minus 3 greater equal to 3x minus 5. Right? So we get 5x minus 3x greater equal to minus 5 plus 3. 2x greater equal to minus 2. X is greater equal to minus 1. So the solution set will be minus 1 to open infinity. And to draw this on the number line, suppose this is our 0. Here it is 1 minus 1. So here we'll darken the circle, and this moving on the RHS side is your solution set. Darken because it's a less than equal to sign was there, means this minus 1 is included as a in the solution. I hope it is clear.